In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate form in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your form can be displayed in multiple languages for your audience. First, make sure you're logged into your Jotform account. Once you're in, open the specific form you want to work on in the Jotform form builder. This is the workspace where you design your form and access all its configurations, so having the form open in the builder is the key starting point. Next, look toward the top of the page and click the Settings tab in the main navigation bar. The Settings area is where you'll find options that control the behavior and presentation of your form beyond just the fields and layout. Inside Settings, scroll down the page and click Show More Options. This expands the full set of configuration choices, including the language tools we need. Don't worry if you don't see everything at first. That Show More Options button reveals the rest of the menu. Now locate the Form Languages section and click the Edit button next to it. This is your hub for managing how your form appears to people who prefer different languages. It's designed to be straightforward, so once you're here, you're nearly done. Start by setting the primary language. Choose the original language of your form, for example, English. This tells Jotform which language is the baseline version and ensures all translations align correctly with your existing content. Getting the primary language right is important because all added languages will reference this version. With the primary language set, it's time to add the languages you want to offer. Click Add Form Language, or it may simply say Add Language depending on your interface. From the list, select the language you want to include, such as Spanish, and this adds that language to your form's language options, so respondents can switch to it when they view the form. That's all it takes to enable multilingual support. A few tips as you go. Choose languages that match your audience, keep your original wording clear and consistent to make translation smoother, and be mindful of special characters and accents. If your form contains terms that are specific to your organization, consider preparing preferred translations so the meaning stays accurate across languages. When you're finished, your form will be ready to serve respondents in the languages you've added, improving accessibility and user experience without changing your original design. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating a more inclusive multilingual form in Jotform.